Today, we're unboxing and reviewing the OneOdio Pro 50 over-ear headphones. If you're looking for a pair of headphones that deliver great sound quality, comfort, and durability without breaking the bank, stick around because this might just be the pair for you. First, let's take a look at the packaging. The box is sleek and professional, with a clear image of the headphones and some key features highlighted on the back. Opening it up, we've got the headphones themselves, a carrying pouch, a detachable audio cable, and a user manual. Everything feels well packaged and premium, which is always a good first impression. Now, let's talk about the design. The OneOdio Pro 50 has a robust, foldable design with a metal frame that feels really sturdy. The ear cups are padded with soft memory foam, and the headband is adjustable, so it should fit most head sizes comfortably. The matte black finish gives it a professional look, and the foldable design makes it super portable for on-the-go use. One of the standout features of the Pro 50 is its dual detachable cables. You get a coiled cable for studio use and a straight cable for everyday listening. Both cables have a 3.5mm jack, and there's even a 6.35mm adapter included for professional audio equipment. Another cool feature is the swiveling ear cups, which allow for single-ear monitoring, perfect for DJs or podcasters. The Pro 50 boasts 50mm neodymium drivers, which deliver crisp highs, detailed mids, and deep, punchy bass. Whether you're listening to music, gaming, or editing audio, these headphones deliver a balanced and immersive sound experience. Comfort is another big win for the Pro 50. The memory foam ear cushions are super soft, and the clamping force is just right, not too tight, not too loose. I wore them for a couple of hours, and they didn't cause any discomfort, which is great for long listening sessions. Let's break it down. Pros: excellent sound quality, durable build, comfortable design, and versatile connectivity options. Cons: well, they're not noise cancelling, so they might not be the best choice for noisy environments. Also, while the bass is great, it might be a bit too heavy for some audiophiles who prefer a more neutral sound profile. Overall, the OneOdio Pro 50 is an excellent pair of headphones for the price. Whether you're a casual listener, a gamer, or a content creator, these headphones offer great value for money. If you're in the market for a reliable, high-quality pair of over-ear headphones, the Pro 50 is definitely worth considering.